Hi everyone, welcome to PageFly video tutorial series. In today's video, you will learn about an awesome feature that can help you build your page faster, Premade Section. Let's go to the editor page to find out more about this amazing feature. With a blank page like this, you just need to click on the Add Section button here to open the Premade Section catalog. Here there are plenty of Premade sections that are ready to use right now on your page. If your page already has some sections, you can click or hover the section above or below the space that you want to add a new section. The plus icon will show like this. Click on the icon and the Premade Section catalog will appear. We can also open the Premade Section modal from the section page. The Premade Section then will be used as a saved section on all PageFly and Shopify pages. When you click on each section catalog, it will show a list of options. Pick the one that you want and hit select button to use it in the editor page. You can freely customize the Premade Section to make it fit with your store. For example, you can change the image here by uploading a new image from your library. Then change the content of the heading and paragraph. Change the color of the button or whatever you want in a few seconds. Another example, I want to add the featured product to my page. So I open the Premade Section catalog again. Select the feature product catalog. And choose one of them to drag into the editor page. The final step is to choose the product you want to show in the general tab like this. If you are building a product page, you can choose Auto for the product source. This section will automatically assign to the product of this product page. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials. These are other videos on our channel you also may need. Thanks for watching.